A very good morning, and hope you all doing fine. Today we are having the message of the day, and also I'm not asking any question or anything, doing a question reading, but I'm just doing a general reading of personal career and health. I'm doing a angel card reading as well as a tarot card reading, and also if you have any question, please let me know, then I can take it next time, because I could not because I could not think of any. I could not think there is some disturbance happening, so I could not think of any questions. So I've just done a general reading of personal career and health. Let's start. What's the message for today? Okay, it's go forward fearlessly. Thank you for walking me with every step of the way, for holding my hand, giving me confidence and courage, and guiding my thoughts and actions in the direction of love and my true life's purpose. So this is that what you've been thinking a lot and you've not gone ahead with it. Go ahead with it fearlessly, because there is the divine power with you which will give you confidence and courage, and also keep you guided at every step. So first card is go forward fearlessly. Now I am doing a reading of personal career and health. Okay, angel card as well as tarot. Okay, so personal reading, that can be anything related to personal. Clearing negativity, release negativity from within and around you. So negativity is not that a person is negative, but it's just that sometimes you feel negative from people or from situations, and it affects you mentally a lot. So kind of just back off yourself from that situation and from that person for some time, so that you get that space and you get positive. So be clearing yourself from negativity, from negative environment, from any negative thoughts or anything you're feeling that negativity coming, just kind of detach yourself from it. And in tarot personal, it has come that you have to be very careful where trust factor is concerned, trust issues are concerned. Don't blindly trust anybody. Now it's career. Increase support, your positive focus and willingness to receive have opened the doorway to an abundance of help and opportunities. So in career, there you are going to get support and help, and be open to this abundance opportunity that's coming to you. Be open to everything that you're receiving right now. And again, in tarot also it's a similar card come, justice. So your justice will be paid, and you will get your rewards right now. Just be patient and rewards are coming. Now it's health. Health is stay strong in your faith. A positive outcome is dependent on you keeping a positive mindset. So how we know that positive thoughts create positive, make you positive. So being positive where health is concerned. And also in tarot, a family card has come, so that means family, emotional happiness, being with your family where health is concerned is important. Okay, now whoever are watching me, I would be removing one card. Meenal, I think you have a question. You can message me later. I will do a reading, and I will just remove a card for Sunita. Okay, Sunita, if you're listening to me, your card has come, sense of humor. Thank you for helping me see the humor in this situation, so I can lovingly laugh at human nature. I'm willing to view my experience in a new light in order to attract love and healing energy. So this card tells you that whatever is happening, just take it on a very light note rather than being very serious about it. And I'm willing to view my experience in a new light, and whatever that is happening, it basically has much more meaning to it than what you're thinking, and take it on a very lighter note. I would be removing a card for Amit Singh. Okay, Amit, the card from the angels is write about your thoughts and feelings. thank you for helping me tap into my God-given creativity and wisdom so I clearly express myself and insights, blessing and healing. So this is a card that, suppose if you are very confused, just write about your thoughts and feelings, and that would help you more to make your decisions. Manish Singh. Sir, I am removing card for you. Manish Singh, the card. Okay, Manish Singh, the card for you is prayer will help this situation. I ask for your divine intervention. I welcome your help and I trust and follow your guidance.